Yes. Archana from 10th standard. Respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we all are here gathered to celebrate Children's Day. Children are very happy to celebrate Children's Day every year. It was celebrated on 14th November every year in India, and it was celebrated on the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the son of Motilal Nehru and Swarup Rani. He was born in Allahabad in India, and he became the first Prime Minister of India. And he died at the age of 74 years at New Delhi. I was very happy to celebrate Teacher's Day and I became a one-day teacher. I felt very happy and I taught physical science for 9th class, bioscience for 8th class, Telugu for 7th class and 3rd class for maths. But it was very difficult to control the class. I was so excited to talk them and they respond to my questions and answer all the questions too. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Be from 10th class. I invite V. Nikshita from 10th class. Jai Hind everyone. My name is Nikshita. I am studying in 10th standard. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Today is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So we celebrate Children's Day. He was born on 14th November. He was the son of Motilal Nehru and Swarup Rani. Today I became a one-day teacher. I taught 9th for Telugu, 8th for physics and 7th for maths and 6th for Hindi, and I went to nursery also. Some children are listening my classes carefully and some are did their works. I felt very happy to this opportunity for getting one day teacher. Thank you. I be Sahita from 10th class.
Into one and all. My name is Saita. I am from 10th class. Respected principals, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. It was the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. Today I became one-day teacher. I felt so happy and excitement to teach them. I taught 9th Hindi, 7th Hindi, 6th social, and nursery and LKG. Some are listening my words and some are not listening. Teachers are the backbone of our society. Thank you for this golden opportunity.
I invite A. Sharanya from 10th class.
Hello to all, respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Esharanya. I am from 10th standard. First of all, I wish you happy Children's Day to all. Today we are all gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrating as the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loves children a lot. Children fondly call him Chacha Nehru. Today I become one-day teacher. I taught LKG and first English, 4th Telugu and 7th science. I felt happy to taught them, but teaching is very difficult. I struggle a lot to control the class, but I understood the teachers' struggle today, how they are struggling to maintain the class discipline. Today I want to give a promise to teachers. From today I never disturb the class. I will listen class properly. This is a promise from me from today. Thank you.
K. Srinidhi from 10th class.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Srinidhi. I am from 10th standard. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate the Children's Day. This day was known as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru birth anniversary. Thank you, teachers, for supporting me in every situation. Today I felt that you are very important in my life. You are the backbone of my life. Thank you for supporting me in every situation. Teaching is very hard. I learned that teaching is so difficult. Teachers are explaining and supporting us in every situation. I felt nervous at first, but then I controlled myself and taught my lessons, especially nursery class. I appreciate the madams. They have very good discipline nursery students. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Now I would like to invite B. Swati from 10th class.
Good afternoon to everyone. Respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. First of all, I wish a happy Children's Day. Children's Day is the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. I taught EVS, English, Maths for the classes. Today I became a one-day teacher. I felt so happy. Once again, happy Children's Day. Thank you.
B. Srivinya from 9th class.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Srivinya. I am studying in 9th class. Respected principals, sir, teachers and my dear friends. Today is birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. Every year 14th November we can celebrate Children's Day. First of all, I wish you a happy Children's Day to all. Today I taught third class for EVS, fourth class for Hindi. And teachers are very important to us. We respect our teachers and we can guide from them. Thank you.
Invite B. Manogna from 9th class.
My name is Manogna. I am from 9th standard. I wish you a very Children's Day to all. This occasion is celebrated in 14th November, the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was first Prime Minister of India. We celebrated Children's Day in every year. Today I taught UKG for Maths, LKG for Rhymes, second class for Telugu, first class for EVS. I feel very struggled. But I really appreciate our teachers, how they are teaching us and how they are controlling us. Thank you.
Invite Shravika from 9th class.
To everyone. Good afternoon to everyone. First of all, I wish you a happy Children's Day to all. Children's Day every year with excitement. Today is birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Today I was become a one-day teacher. I teach for second class, second A and second B, second A for English, second B for Telugu, and I teach first for tables and UKG for rhymes, LKG for rhymes. Thanks.
Invite Vaishnavi from 9th class.
My name is Vaishnavi. I am from 9th class. Today, first of all, I wish you a very happy Children's Day to all. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was first Prime Minister of India. He liked children very much. Children lovely called as Chacha Nehru. Today I became a one-day teacher. I felt very happy. Fifth class and UKG. Fifth class for EVS and UKG tables and Hindi.
10th class.
Good evening to everyone. I am Goresh from 10th standard. Respected teachers, master and my dear friends. Today we celebrate Children's Day as the birthday of our first president, our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the freedom fighter and he was the Prime Minister of our India. Today I thought first maths and second maths and tables for first class. It is very difficult to control the class. Thank you.
Ashmit from 10th class.
From 10th standard. Today we are here to celebrate Children's Day. Children's Day is the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Today I taught second English and third EVS. Teaching is the very difficult job. Thank you.
Invite C.H. Jeshwant from 10th class.
Everyone, I am Jishwant from 10th standard. Respected principals and teachers and my dear friends, today we are here to celebrate Children's Day. In India, Children's Day was celebrated on 14th November every year. This day was to celebrate the birthday of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. He is a great freedom fighter. He fought for the Indian independence. Today I taught third Telugu, fourth English. It is very difficult to teach. Thank you.
Invite R. Upender from 10th class.
Good afternoon to everyone. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Children's Day because today Jawaharlal Nehru birthday anniversary. Much and children call him Tata Nehru, first Prime Minister of India. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Karthik from 10th class.
I am from 10th standard. Today I acted like PT. This job is very difficult. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite S. Sai Teja from 10th class.
My name is Sai Teja. I am studying 10th class. Today we gather here celebrating Children's Day. Children's Day celebrating 14th November and every year. It is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. I acted like a PD. It is the difficult to control students. Thank you.
B. Mohsin from 10th class.
Mohsin, I am from 5th standard. Respected principal sir and teachers, my dear friends. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. On 14th November, we are gathered Children's Day. I thought, second I thought Hindi. They are not listening properly. They are doing their work. Thank you.
Ashmita from 6th class.
My name is Ashrita. I am studying in 6th class. Today is 14th November. Today we celebrate Children's Day. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. Children's Day is very happy day for children. Children call him fondly Chacha Nehru. Thank you.
Invite Akshita from 6th class.
My name is Akshita. I am studying in 6th class. Today is 14th November. We celebrating Children's Day. The birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children. He loved spending time with children. Children called him fondly Chacha Nehru. We celebrate this day with joy and happiness. Thank you.
6th class.
Everyone, my name is Asmita. I am studying in 6th class. Today is the 14th November and you are celebrating Children's Day. First of all, I wish you a happy Children's Day. Today is the birthday anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is the first Prime Minister of India. He is loved spending time with children. Children fondly he called Chacha Nehru. So we must invite their education, health and well-beginning. Thank you.
Neha Neha from 6th class.
Neha, I am studying in 6th class. Today is 14th November. We are celebrating Children's Day. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. It is birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It is first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. Children fondly call him Chacha Nehru. Children's Day is special for children. Thank you.
Nursery.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Varshana Nursery. I am studying in 6th class. Today is 14th November. We are celebrating Children's Day. First of all, I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children very much. He loved children very much. Day reminds that the children are the future of our country. So children should be rise, love and care.
Now I would like to invite Sakshara from 6th class.
Morning. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sakshara. I am studying in 6th class. Today is 14th November. We are celebrated Children's Day. First of all, I wish you happy Children's Day to all. Today is I was first Prime Minister of India. Thank you.
Yes.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Shania. I am studying in 6th class. Today is 14th November. We celebrate Children's Day. First of all, I wish you a happy Children's Day.
The children who want to give speech tell about the teachers who came to your class and who taught the best. Now I would like to invite Snigdha from 7th class.
Hello everyone. My name is Nikta. I am from 7th standard. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Nikta. I am from 7th standard. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First of all, I wish you a very happy Children's Day. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. He loved children very much. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November 1889 in Prayagraj, Allahabad. His father name was Motilal Nehru and his mother name was Swarupa Rani. This day reminds us the importance of all children, right and education. It is a day to show love and care for all children. Children's Day is a day of joy and happiness for all kids. Thank you.
I will invite Vaishnavi from 7th class.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I am studying in 7th class. Respected principals, our teachers and my dear friends. Today we are here to celebrate Children's Day, the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister. He loved children very much and believed that we are future of the nation. Children's Day remains as study well, be kind, and always follow our dreams. Let's make our country proud and by being responsible and citizens. Thank you.
Happy invite Amulya from 7th class.
Good afternoon to all. I am Amulya. I am pursuing my 7th standard. At first, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November. The birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. The children fondly call him Chacha Nehru. He was born in Allahabad in 1886. He died at age of 74 at New Delhi. Nehruji said
or wealth of a country. He was first
Nikshita from 8th class.
My name is Islam, studying in 8th class. Respected principals and teachers and media friends, we are all gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Children's Day is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister and a great leader. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. Nehru was the son of Motilal Nehru and Swarup Rani. The children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. And Terania sister.
Vaibhav Teta from 7th class.
My name is Abhidesh. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Abhidesh from 7th standard. Today we all are celebrating Children's Day on 14th November. First of all, I wish you happy Children's Day. Today is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loves children very much. Children called him Chacha Nehru. We remember the children are the future of our country. Thank you.
Rishika from 9th class.
My name is Rishika. I am studying in 9th class. Today we all are gathered to here celebrate Children's Day. Happy Children's Day to all. Jawaharlal Nehru was first Prime Minister of India and he believed children's future nation. Today's children are tomorrow's citizens. Thank you.
Lakshmi Prasanna from 9th class.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Lakshmi Prasanna. I am from 9th standard. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. First of all, I wish you a happy Children's Day. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on 14th November in 1889. He loved children. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Telugu sir. Please come on the desk.
వేదికను అలంకరించిన ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్, ఈరోజు ప్రిన్సిపల్, తర్వాత ఉపాధ్యాయులు, ఈరోజు ఉపాధ్యాయులకు, విద్యార్థులందరికీ ముందుగా బాల దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. మన దేశ మొదటి ప్రధానమంత్రి పండిట్ జవహర్లాల్ నెహ్రూ. ఆయన ఉత్తరప్రదేశ్ రాష్ట్రంలోని అలహాబాద్లో 1889 నవంబర్ 14 జన్మించాడు. తండ్రి మోతిలాల్ నెహ్రూ, తల్లి స్వరూపరాణి. అతను తండ్రి పెద్ద పేరున్నటువంటి ప్రఖ్యాతిగాంచిన వకీలు, సంపన్నుడు. అలా ఉన్నటువంటి పండిట్ జవహర్లాల్ నెహ్రూ సంపన్నుడు అయినప్పటికీ స్వతంత్రోద్యమానికి ఆకర్షితులై ఎన్నో మార్లు జైలుకు వెళ్ళడం జరిగింది. అలాగే స్వాతంత్రం వచ్చిన తర్వాత మన దేశానికి మొదటి ప్రధానిగా ఉన్నాడు. ప్రధానిగా ఉన్నప్పటికీ ఆయనకు నెహ్రూ గారికి పిల్లలన్నా గులాబీలన్నా ఎక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి బలమైనటువంటి ప్రేమ. అందుకే ఎన్ని పనులున్నా కానీ ప్రధానమంత్రి హోదాలో ఉన్నప్పటికీ కూడా ప్రతిరోజు పిల్లల కోసము సమయాన్ని కేటాయించి పిల్లలకు బహుమతులు ఇవ్వడం కానీ, పిల్లల యొక్క రాసేటువంటి ఉత్తరాలు చదివేవాడట. రోజు 1 గంట సేపు ఉత్తరాలు చదివేవాడట. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం దీన్ని బట్టి ఏంటంటే పిల్లలంటే ఆయనకు ఎంత ఇష్టమో మనము అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. ఉన్నటువంటి ఈ ప్రపంచ యుద్ధాలు జరిగినటువంటి జపాన్ దేశంలో ఈ బాంబుల యొక్క కారణంగా అక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి వన్యప్రాణులన్నీ చనిపోయాట. అక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి 8 మంది పిల్లలు నెహ్రూ గారికి ఉత్తరాలు రాశారట. ఏమని? నెహ్రూ గారు మీకు పిల్లలంటే బాగా ఇష్టం కదా, మా కోసం మీరు మీ దేశం నుండి మాకు ఏనుగును పంపించని చెప్పాడట. మరి ఇతను చూడండి, పిల్లలు అనుకోకుండా వాళ్ళ కోసము అక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి వాళ్ళ కోసం మన దేశం నుండి ఏనుగును చూసి దానికి ఇందిరా అని పేరు పెట్టి వాళ్ళ దేశానికి భారతదేశం నుండి ఈ మా యొక్క చిన్నాలు పంపుతున్నటువంటి జపాన్ దేశ పిల్లలకని చెప్పి కానుకని చెప్పి పంపించారట. అంటే దీన్ని బట్టి మనకు పిల్లలంటే అతనికి ఎంత ఇష్టమో దీన్ని బట్టి మనం అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు. అతనికి ఇంకొకటి గులాబీ ఉంటుంది కోటుకు. అతను ఎందుకు పెట్టుకున్నట్టు ఒక సందర్భంలో బయటికి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఒక చిన్నారి వచ్చి అతనికి ఒక గులాబీ పువ్వు ఇచ్చిందట. అమ్మ మరి మాకు జుట్టు లేదు కదా, ఎక్కడ పెట్టుకోవాలంటే సార్ ఇక్కడ మీరు మీ యొక్క ఇందులో పాకెట్లో పెట్టుకోమన్నట. చూడండి, అంటే అప్పటి నుండి అతనికి ఈ యొక్క ఎప్పటికి కానీ మనం చూస్తే నెహ్రూ గారి కోటుకు గులాబీ పువ్వు ఉంటుంది. అంటే చిన్నలు ఎంత అభిమానించేవాడు, చిన్నలని కూడా చూడకుండా అతను చెప్పినటువంటి పాటించేవాడు. కాబట్టి అన్నట్టు ఆయనే ఇలా ఉండగానే 1964లో చనిపోయిన తర్వాత అతని గుర్తుగా అప్పటి ఉన్నటువంటి గవర్నమెంట్ అప్పటి నుంచి మనకు చిల్డ్రన్ డేస్గా ఆనాటి నుండి ఈనాటి వరకు మనం ప్రతి సంవత్సరం నవంబర్ 14న ఈ యొక్క బాల దినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటున్నారు. ఆయనకి ఏం చెప్తున్నంటే, పిల్లలు ఈ దేశానికి మూల స్తంభాలు కాబట్టి పిల్లలు మీరు ఒక సరైనటువంటి మార్గాన్ని ఒక గోల్ని ఎంచుకొని మీరు వెళ్ళాలి, దేశాన్ని అభివృద్ధి చేయాలని చెప్పి కోరుకున్నాడు. కాబట్టి పిల్లలు మీరందరూ కూడా మంచి ఒక లక్ష్యాన్ని ఏర్పరచుకొని ఒక గోల్ని పెట్టుకొని బాగా చదవాలి, మంచిగా ఆరంభించాలి, దేశానికి మంచి పేరు తీసుకురావాలి. ఓకేనా? అందరికీ వన్స్ అగైన్ హ్యాపీ చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hindi madam, please come on the dais. Please come on the dais.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected principal sir and teachers and my dear students. As you all know today we have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. In every year in India, so 14th November we celebrate Children's Day. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of our India. So he loved children very much and children called him Chacha Nehru. And he believed that children are our future of our nation. So my dear students, on this special day, I want to tell you something. So you will be good to each other, respect elders and study well and don't waste your time. Time is very precious. And finally reach your goals. Thank you.
Invite our physics sir. Please come on the dais.
Good afternoon to all. Our respected principal and one day headmistress and one day teachers and teachers. So I wish you first the children's happy Children's Day to all. So all teachers and one day teachers came to know what is the problem facing while teaching. So that's what you should be disciplined in the class, in the ground, wherever you go. The discipline gives you golden opportunity in your lives. That's what I advise to you, be disciplined in the class, be respect to every teacher. Some students are not respect your teachers. So you should be respect to teachers and your that students are always not disciplined in the ground also and fighting somewhat and itching and beating. Some children are taking place like this only. So that's what I advise to you, be disciplined in the class. That gives you golden opportunity for your lives. Thank you. Give an opportunity.
We invite our biological science sir. Please come on the dais.
Respectable principal on the dais and one day headmistress and one day teachers and my dear colleagues and rest of the students. First of all, good afternoon to all. Today all of you here gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Already all the one day teachers and my colleagues also said the importance of this day. Here November 14 only marked as a Children's Day because Nehru is fond of rose flowers and children. That's why on the memory of his birth anniversary only Government of India started to celebrate this occasion. And here some one day teachers said what is their experience. So every teacher, here you act as a one day teacher. Every day That is the task what we are doing here. So all of you should say to the rest of your friends and what are the difficulties behind teaching. Teaching is not an easy task. Actually, so many thought that teaching is an easy one. So teaching is not a simple task and easy task. So much hard work teachers do at home to give the better from them. So everybody should respect to the teachers and maintain discipline. And here, not gather here to laugh or not to listen something. Okay, every year and every children, actually this day is marked for you. Not only to enjoy, we have to fix some goals. Okay, every year, small goals. This year you fix a goal on this day and try to otherwise move towards it and by doing hard work. And every time, every teacher every time says that work hard, okay, plan good and achieve it and make your future bright. Every time all the teachers said that the students who are studying the higher secondary means here secondary students, 10th students. Okay. Now you come to know the problem of every teacher. Every teacher is facing that. So don't waste their time and also your time. Time is precious. Now only our mathematics madam said time is precious. Don't waste it. Plan every minute. Utilize it properly and achieve your goal. Make your future bright and make your parents and teachers proud. Thank you.
Respected our principal sir. One day worked as a administrator. All the teachers wish you happy Children's Day. So all are explained here. What is the importance of this day? Now, Nehru, the birthday, and he was the first Prime Minister of India. When he became the Prime Minister of India, he concentrated development activities. He was the most role he participated. Again, he maintained friendship among our neighboring countries. Panchashila, he only announced. So, in this day we have to remember about his words. Nehru liked the children and he is giving the importance on the children only. No, today all our worked teachers, they said it is a very hard. How is it? If you want to go any work, we make a plan. Yes or no? And for example, if you want to get up in the morning, at what time should we get up? You are thinking. After what we do. So every man has a plan. So if you want to go to the class, we have to prepare. Without preparation, we should not teach anything. So if you want to become the teacher, and already we know what education you have to read. No, degree after, there is a B.Ed set, set after B.Ed, and after selecting this is the subject. What subject do you like most? So ancient times, the children wanted to go study. Where do they go? Do you know? In the ashrams only they will go. But if you want to study, where do you go? Where do you go? School. కదా మనం చదువుకోవాలంటే ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి? స్కూల్కే వెళ్ళాలి. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. స్కూల్కి వెళ్తేనే సో విల్ లర్న్, దే టీచ్ దెమ్. డూ యూ నో ఇన్ అవర్ ఇండియా 28 states, but every state concentrating on the education. Mostly we have to learn, first of all, remember that Himachal Pradesh, but all the children, they wanted to go happily to the schools. హిమాచల్ ప్రదేశ్లో చాలా మంది పిల్లలందరూ కూడా స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే చాలా ఇష్టపడేవారు, చాలా ఇష్టపడతారు. Why? Because they like school. The parents given priority on the education, and the government also giving priority on the education. ప్రభుత్వం కూడా ఎడ్యుకేషన్ మీద చాలా దృష్టి పెట్టి వాళ్ళందరినీ ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తుంది. And they recruit all the teachers. And when we ask them, that children are telling them they like teachers and they listen carefully. వాళ్ళు ఎలా చెప్పేవారంటే లవ్ అండ్ ఎఫెక్షన్, ప్రేమతో చాలా చక్కగా బోధిస్తూ ఉంటే ప్రతి టీచర్ అంటే పిల్లలకి చాలా ఇష్టంగా ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ ఏ టీచర్ మస్ట్ కాన్సన్ట్రేటింగ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద దేర్ మైండ్ పొజిషన్. వాళ్ళ యొక్క మైండ్ని బట్టి, వాళ్ళ యొక్క స్థితిని బట్టి వాళ్ళ స్టేజ్కి మనం దిగి చెప్పాల్సి వస్తుంది. అప్పుడే దే కెన్ ఈజీలీ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ కదా. అగైన్ నేను వన్ స్టోరీ హ్యాస్. పూర్వకాలంలో ఒక బ్రాహ్మణుడు ఉండేవాడు. సో హీ హ్యాస్ 4 children and he always sent them to the school. So they are going and learning very well. All the 2 boys and 2 girls. So this way they are learning very well. In these one, among the children, one boy, he was not studying well, but he was not concentrating. The school age was completed. School age complete అయిపోయింది, తిరిగి బయట ప్రపంచానికి వెళ్ళాలి కదా. So all are they went to colleges and other higher educations, but the one boy was not learned very well. ఒక పిల్లవాడు చక్కగా నేర్చుకోలేదు, చదువు చెప్పేటప్పుడు కూడా కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేయలేదు. సొసైటీలో వచ్చేసరికి అతని యొక్క బిహేవియర్ ఎట్లా ఉందంటే రఫ్గా ఉంది, రోగా ఉన్నాడు, మాట్లాడే విధానం కరెక్ట్గా లేదు. సో ఎవ్రీవన్ ఇన్సల్టెడ్ హిమ్, ఎవ్రీవన్ క్రిటిసైజ్ హిమ్. బట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ గివ్స్ us the respectness. Education is not a part of life. Education is a life. Yes? So అతను అనుకున్నాడు, నేను చదువుకోలేకపోతే ఈ విధంగా నాకు తయారైంది అనుకున్నాడు. సో అగైన్ మరి ఎట్లా నేర్చుకోవాలి? చదువు ఏజ్ అయిపోయింది, 10th class కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది, మళ్ళీ స్కూల్కు వచ్చేయడానికి షేమ్గా ఫీల్ అవుతుంటాం కదా. కొంతమంది దే ఆర్ గివెన్ సమ్ సజెషన్స్ టు ప్రే గాడ్. కొంతమంది సలహా ఇచ్చారు, వెళ్ళు తపస్సు చేసుకుంటే ఆ సరస్వతి మాత ప్రత్యక్షమై నీకు చదువు నేర్పిస్తుంది అని చెప్పేసి. సో హీ వెంట్ అవుట్ టు ద ఫారెస్ట్. హీ సాట్ ఆన్ ద river, bank of the river. Now he started to pray the God. దేవతను పూజిస్తూ ఉంటాడు, ఓం సరస్వతి నమః అని చెప్పేసి. అనగానే ప్రత్యక్షమవుతుందా? కాదు కదా. సో ఇతని యొక్క పొజిషన్ చూసి మిగతా వారు చాలా ఇబ్బంది గురయ్యారు. సో చివరికి ఇంకా తప చేస్తున్నాడు, ఏమీ తినకుండా తన యొక్క శరీరాన్ని పూర్తిగా చెడిపోయే విధంగా తయారైపోయింది. లాస్ట్కు పైనటువంటి దేవేంద్రుడు తన మీద పిట్టి కలిగించింది. వచ్చేసాడు దేవేంద్రుడు, ఇతన్ని ఏ విధంగా మార్చాలి, లేకపోతే ఈ మూర్ఖుడు చనిపోతాడు అని చెప్పేసి అనుకుని అతని దగ్గరనే కూర్చొని అతను కూడా బ్రాహ్మణ రూపంలో వచ్చి తపస్సు చేసుకుంటాడు. అక్కడ కూడా కొన్ని మట్టి పిల్లల్ని నదిలో విసురుతుంటాడు. ఇది చూసినటువంటి ఆ యొక్క పిల్లవాడు, ఏం చేస్తున్నావు అని అడుగుతాడు. నేను ఈ నది నుంచి బయటకి దాటం కోసం ఒక బ్రిడ్జిని ఏర్పాటు చేస్తాను అన్నాడు. ఈ మట్టి పిల్లలతోని రాళ్లతోని బ్రిడ్జ్ తయారవుతుందా? ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఏ పాసిబుల్ కదా. సో ఎలా సాధ్యమైతే నువ్వు మూర్ఖునువా? బ్రిడ్జ్ ఏ విధంగా తయారవుతుంది అని చెప్పేసి అన్నారు. అతను ఏమన్నాడంటే చదువు నేర్చుకోవాలంటే శరీరాన్ని హింసించుకుంటూ ఏమి తినకుండా ఉంటే చదువు రాదు. చదువు నేర్చుకోవాలంటే టీచర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాలి. టీచర్ మాత్రమే, గురువు మాత్రమే బోధిస్తే చదువు వస్తుంది, తపస్సు ద్వారా రాదు. సో హియర్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద మెయిన్ థీమ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ స్టోరీస్? అండ్ ఉన్న సమయాన్ని సద్వినియోగపరచుకోవాలి. We utilize our time. We should not waste our time. Every minute precious to us. No, during the class, we are teaching them how many students are concentrating on our education. So take care yourself. Most valuable education. చదువు లేకపోతే సొసైటీలో there is no respectness కదా. తర్వాత చదువుకుంటా అంటే కుదరదు. సో ఇప్పటిలాగే లైఫ్ కొలాప్స్ అయిపోతుంది. సో కాబట్టి అండ్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్, డోంట్ వేస్ట్ అవర్ టైం. ఓకే, అండ్ వన్స్ అగైన్ విష్ హ్యాపీ చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Who interested to give speeches, please come on to the dais.
My name is Sridhya. I am studying in 10th class. Today is 14th November. We all celebrate Children's Day. I wish you a happy Children's Day. It is a birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was first Prime Minister of India. He loved very much children very much. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Monday headmistress.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Emhani. I am from 10th standard. You know, we are gathered here to celebrate Children's Day on the occasion of Jawaharlal Nehru birthday. Today I act as a one-day headmistress and I taught for 9th and 8th maths. I struggle a little bit fear and nervous as well as happy. Some are listened properly and some are not. I understood teacher's struggle. నేను ఒకటి చెప్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. పుస్తకం అంటుందట, తల వంచి నన్ను చూస్తే తలెత్తుకునేలా నేను చేస్తాను. సో ఫాలో దిస్ రూల్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
I'd like to invite our headmistress sir, please come on to the dais.
Good afternoon to all. To all of you, sit properly. Straight, patience. How much patience you have, so I will see. So it's time 3:06. Okay, I will give only 20 minutes, not more than that. Be straight on your neck. Don't bend it. So good afternoon to all. So first of all, I wish you very happy Children's Day. So my dear colleagues, my dear staff, and as well as today one-day teachers and especially one-day headmistress and each and every students. Once again, happy Children's Day to all. So each of us, we know it. What is the occasion of today? Do you know or not? Do you know or not? Say loudly those who know. So today is the birthday of Chacha Nehru. We call him as a Chacha Nehru because each and every child is interested to see him, and at the same time the Nehru also wanted to see who came to near of his office or else house. So he don't want to miss any children. So that is the bond, that is the relation between the Chacha Nehru and each and every kid. So that is the very rare occasion to any others, but he loves children. That is the reason only we have to celebrate, because you all are in children's age. At school level, you all are in children's age. That is the reason especially in schools, each and every schools, we will celebrate the Children's Day. So today, so many of your brothers and sisters, they became as a one-day teacher. So they know to teach in classroom how difficult it is. They know when they ready to teach. Until that they don't know. Even that is belongs to you also. You don't know how to teach. But when you are acting as a teacher, when you are ready to become as a teacher, you also could know how it is difficult. So they struggled a lot to teach in classroom 15 to 20 minutes. They prepared the textbook and they referred the textbooks. They asked the several doubts to the subject teachers, and the night and day they prepared a lot. When they came to school, each and every person, those are sitting here and beside me, their heartbeat was raised. Firstly, when they are giving name on that time only, so many members are not ready. But those are there, they came first, and by the force, by the seeing of others, remaining also given their names. Firstly, everyone given names, but when they are writing about their subject wise, they struggled again. So like that, the struggles they faced each and every time, the selection time, they are ready to teaching time, and they are preparing time. But once they came to school also, they struggled. But once they taught in the classroom, they lost everything, the struggle. Each and everyone, they lost the struggle. Now they are fearless. Everybody, those who are sitting here, they are fearless. They are ready to teach again also. But when they came to know, when they got experience only, listen carefully, especially 9th class. When they got the experience, they know it is very easy. Until that, they thought they know it was very struggle, very hard. But here, I wanted to say only one thing, not more than that. So everybody have tongues. Do you have tongue or not? What it will be useful to you? To talk. No. To taste. Before to talk, to taste. When you are being as a born a child, on that time only you know it, whether it is good or bad. While tasting only. So here is also your life. Just I wanted to compare the life as a life like a tongue. When you taste anything, any food items, then only you could know it, whether it is good or bad. If it is good, again you will taste it. If it is bad, you will not taste it. But being as a human life, it is also very, very important. It is not like the taste. You have to do, you have to act, you have to take care of your life. This is not like a taste. Whether it is good or bad, you have to implement. Whether it is bad, even though you have to implement yourself, you have to struggle, you have to overcome, then only it will become good. The reason I wanted to say is, everything is not good. Everything is not easy. The struggles only will become the easy. When you are struggling, automatically in future you will get that easy. So like that, every food item is also firstly we don't like that. When you are asking your parents, each and everyone said, yes, I don't like that. But when you tasted it, again and again you are asking your parents, so I want that one. But here, the life, once you miss the life, you never gain again. The time is very, very precious to us. So once you lost the time, you never come back those times. Whether it is good or bad. So we have to taste this every life of our human life. Every second is important. We have to enjoy the every second. Okay? So hopefully, those are listen carefully, they understand. Those are not listen carefully, you can teach your friends. Tell to the friends. Thank you each and everyone. So, the result is to be here. Your brothers and sisters, they taught the subjects, different subjects they taught, but the criteria of our teachers discussed is to be firstly I wanted to say, the best dress appearance goes to A. Sharanya, 10th class, Asampalli Sharanya. Claps, big claps. And we have decided into 3 categories, first, second, third best teachers. So the third best teacher is G. Srivinya from 9th class. Stand. The second best teacher is A. Charanya, 10th class. And the best teacher of the today is E. Archana, 10th class. So everyone thought better, but out of this, they thought best. So everyone is better only. But out of those all, these are the 3 are the best teachers. So don't think yourself we are the not best. So and today's administrator Yam Harini from 10th class. She also know how the headmaster and headmistress is important to our school. Okay, so don't nervous. You didn't get that any prizes. So this is your best memories in your life, because this is the only last time you will get the occasion. When you are joined in intermediate or degree somewhere else, you didn't get. When you are going to be joined as a teacher, as a DED or BEd only, you will get this type of chance. So thank you and each and everyone.